Ha? Nandito na ako. Sumasagot si Mama.
Close kaya. Busy kaya siya. Sumasagot. Mag-isa na naman ako.
Nakakapagod ka nga rin na to. Ang dami nangyari sa akin. Pero wala akong masabihan.
Hi guys!
Nasya naman tayo.
Sige ako, tara. Uwi na.
Finally, makakausap na din ako.
Hindi ko na rin talaga maintindihan ng sarili ko. Ang dami kong iniisip. Wala akong masabihan. Pakiramdam ko. Mag-isa lang ako.
And you don't have to face it alone. There are people trained to walk with you. If you want, may alam kami ni Jem na mental health clinic.
Technologies and AI can guide us. It can help us take the first step. True healing, however, begins with human connection. Sometimes we rely on tools, on technology. It helps in finding information, suggesting paths, and organizing our thoughts.
Pagod na pagod po ko lagi. Tapos parang ang dami nangyayari sa akin. Parang wala akong masabihan. Wala akong makausap. Wala akong...
Nakikinig pa po ba kayo? Sige, tuloy mo lang. Parang, hindi naman po kasi kayo nakikinig eh. Parang, hangin lang yung kausap ko. Salamat na lang po.
Parati na lang ba akong aasa sa AI? Nag-aral naman ako ng ilang taon para tumulong sa iba. Gusto kong tumulong, pero hindi ganito.
Hello, Lian. Good morning. How are you feeling today naman?
Good morning po, Doc. I still remember the feeling na I'm disconnected with Dr. Fatima. But I really want to help myself. And alam ko po na to do that, kailangan ko po ng help.
Sometimes, the hardest step is simply showing up. In a world where people fear being ignored, finding a space to speak freely matters. Therapy isn't about having all the answers. It's about being heard and understood, because no one should have to face their struggles alone.